Have you ever wondered what it feels like to be part of the world's largest spiritual gathering? The Mahakumbh Mela 2025 is your chance to find out. Held every 12 years, the Kumbh Mela rotates between four sacred locations in India: Prayagraj, Haridwar, Nashik, and Ujjain. This festival is rooted in Hindu mythology, where gods and demons battled over a pot of nectar, with drops falling at these four locations. The 2025 Kumbh Mela is particularly special as it is a Mahakumbh, happening only once every 12 years at Prayagraj. Prayagraj is the site of the Triveni Sangam, the confluence of the Ganges, Yamuna, and the mythical Saraswati rivers. Bathing at this confluence during the Kumbh Mela is believed to cleanse one's sins and bring spiritual enlightenment. The Mahakumbh Mela 2025 will begin on January 14 and conclude on February 26, attracting over 400 million pilgrims. The festival coincides with important celestial alignments, amplifying its spiritual impact. Attendees can expect large processions, cultural performances, and the vibrant energy of devotional music and chants. The origins of the Kumbh Mela are tied to the Samudra Manthan, the churning of the ocean, a significant event in Hindu cosmology. During this cosmic event, a pot of nectar emerged and drops fell at Prayagraj, Haridwar, Nashik, and Ujjain. These locations are now considered sacred, and the rivers are believed to turn into nectar during the Kumbh Mela. The Shahi Snan, or royal bath, is the central ritual where pilgrims take a sacred dip to purify themselves. The first Shahi Snan on Makar Sankranti marks the official start of the Kumbh Mela. Mauni Amavasya is regarded as the holiest of all the Shahi Snans, drawing the largest number of pilgrims. Basant Panchami celebrates the arrival of spring with another important day for holy bathing. The festival concludes on Mahashivratri, dedicated to Lord Shiva, with the final Shahi Snan. The sadhus, especially the Naga sadhus, play a pivotal role, leading the Shahi Snan and grand processions. At the Akharas, monastic orders of Hindu saints lead the Shahi Snan, symbolizing their spiritual authority. The Ganga Aarti, a mesmerizing evening ritual, involves offering fire to the Ganges, creating a spiritually charged environment. The Haat Bazaars offer traditional handicrafts, jewelry, fabrics, and religious items, reflecting India's rich cultural diversity. Cultural performances of devotional music, bhajans, and kirtans fill the air, creating a spiritually charged atmosphere. Traditional dance performances like Kathak and Bharatanatyam add to the festival's cultural tapestry. The Triveni Sangam is the spiritual epicenter where pilgrims perform rituals and take a dip in the sacred waters. The Kalpasis dedicate themselves to a life of austerity and devotion, offering a glimpse into ascetic practices. Planning your visit involves preparing for travel, accommodation, and navigating the vast festival grounds. Prayagraj is well connected by air, rail, road, and waterways, making it accessible for pilgrims. Accommodation options range from luxurious hotels to basic tent camps near the event site. Navigating the festival grounds requires patience and preparation, with ample infrastructure and transport services available. Staying safe involves managing large crowds, ensuring good health, and following safety tips at the bathing ghats. The Mahakumbh Mela 2025 is a unique spiritual journey offering a profound personal and cultural experience. Prepare to be humbled, inspired, and deeply moved by this extraordinary event. Don't miss the Mahakumbh Mela 2025.